So I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first step is obviously to go to the Google Play Store and install the WhatsApp application. Just like usual, go ahead, set it up with one of your numbers. Now, given this is a dual SIM phone, you can actually have two accounts on two different SIM cards. Okay, now I've already set up one of my WhatsApp accounts. Now, to set up the other WhatsApp account, go to settings. Let me just go back to the main settings page. And on the main settings page of your phone, scroll down to advanced features, tap on that, and then go to dual messenger, tap on that. This basically this feature clones your messaging applications. So if you want to clone the WhatsApp application, you can just enable that. It's going to ask you to install a second copy. Just tap on install and confirm, and then you can choose whether you want to use a separate contact list or the same contact list. So I'm going to use the same one, so I'm just going to tap on next and then select use regular contacts. So it's going to turn on dual messenger for WhatsApp, which basically means it's going to create another copy of the WhatsApp app. So now if I go back to the home screen, I should have another WhatsApp application. So you can see this is the one I've set up already. This one is already working. But now I have another one here with this blue icon. That's how you differentiate them. And this one is asking me to set up afresh. Okay, so you can set this up with a different account and you have two WhatsApp applications running concurrently on your Galaxy A17 5G. Thanks for watching and good luck.